Hey everyone, if you've ever shared a Google Sheet with your team, your classmates, or even a group of friends, you probably know that things can get messy pretty fast, especially when lots of hands are in the mix. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to restrict editing for specific cells in Google Sheets, so you stay in control of your data and keep those accidental edits at bay. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to lock down just the cells you choose, while still letting collaborators update the rest. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so first things first, open up the Google Sheet you want to protect. Now look at the bottom of your screen and find the tab with the sheet's name. That's the little label below your rows and columns, usually called something like Sheet 1. When you hover over this name, just give it a quick right click. If you're using a trackpad, two-finger tap does the trick too. This will bring up a small menu with a few options. From here, we're looking for Protect Sheet. Go ahead and click on that option. Right away, you'll see something new pop up on the right side of your screen. This is the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar, and it's where all the magic happens. Google designed this to help you manage who can and can't tinker with particular parts of your spreadsheet. We don't want to lock the whole sheet, just one or a few cells, so in the sidebar you'll see options for Sheet and Range. Click on Range. Think of a range like a stretch of territory in your spreadsheet. Maybe it's a single cell like B2 or a bunch of cells, whatever you need to keep safe. Now you'll see a text box labeled Range. Instead of typing in the cell address manually, which you could do if you want, let's make it easy. Click the little box icon on the right side of the text box. This is super handy. It lets you visually select the cells you want to protect. Your sheet will sort of gray out for a moment, and you can just click and drag or click once if it's just a single cell. When you've got the cells highlighted, press OK. Don't worry if you click the wrong cell at first. You can always try again. Next up, you'll see the option to set permissions. This part is crucial because it determines who can actually make changes to those cells. Click Set Permissions and a window will pop up with a few different options. If you want to make sure that only you can edit those cells, just select Only You. This means even if you share the sheet with others, they'll be blocked from changing these protected cells, but they can still update everything else you haven't locked. If you're working with a team and want one other person to edit too, you can customize these permissions by adding their email. Once you've set the level of access you want, go ahead and press Done. That's it. The cells you selected are now safely protected. Anyone who tries to change them and doesn't have permission will get a warning telling them they can't edit. So to recap, right-click the sheet name, choose Protect Sheet, and use the sidebar to select and lock your range. It's a few quick steps, but it can save you tons of headaches later, especially when collaboration gets busy. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit the like button below. It really helps the channel. Got any questions or need more tips on Google Sheets? Drop a comment and I'll do my best to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.